Hi guys, so yesterday night I was working on my system, project that I'm working on. Uh, so uh, so when I went to bed last night, I actually reset my PC unknowingly. I thought I actually hibernated it. So now I woke up, tried to log in again to the system, and I got an error message, and I couldn't understand what was going on. No connection could be made because the target machine actively refused it. The target machine in this case meaning the server actively refused it. So now I couldn't, and now the problem is I didn't actually, I thought that I hibernated it, and I was stressing over this error. It's like, so many errors, so many errors. But, and then eventually I came to understand that my local server was not on. So to solve this issue, what you can do is just go on to execute, just run your MySQL server or whatever server you use, and then start your Apache and start your MySQL. And then after that, just give it a reset and everything should work fine. Then boom, everything is okay. Back to work. If you found this video useful, please like and